eating meat, you will be tortured and burned in hell with whips and chains and fire. Your soul will be tortured in hell forever. Evil meat eater, condemned to hell for eating meat. Eat meat, condemned to hell forever.